You are a very bad dog. You do not eat dead seagulls. Basil, I'm talking to you. You are a bad dog. Never mind licking your lips. Right, now heel. Come on. Come here. Basil, sit. Basil, sit. Basil, sit. Now this is just to prove, he knows he's done wrong. He has just eaten the remains of a dead seagull. God. What else going to do with it? Well, he can behave, look, this is proof. A nice sea shot. Very naughty. Come on. Come on. That's just a take on the edge off a nice walk. Disgrace, absolute disgrace. Come on. In fact, I think you might have to go back on the